Hi guys, I'm here. I'm starting a new video today. I am going to be doing another bell hood, and the first thing that I would do is I would lay it out on my board. I would lay it out, figure out everything, figure out all my angles, my heights, my projections. Then I would I have my arch jig that I made here, my form that I made. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue up my my wiggle wood. I use 2 pieces of wiggle wood. See? If you glue 2 pieces together in any shape, it stays that way. It locks it in. So what I do is I take 2 pieces, see? And I put them in there. I glue them up. And then I take boards that are warped, like that. And then I'll clamp them up this way. Okay, so once I got my pieces glued up into the arch that I want, then I laminate the face of this with either 1/16 MDF or 1/8 inch MDF. It depends on how tight the radius is. I prefer to go thicker. So I'll check it for waves, but usually I don't get any. And then I'll laminate a piece of MDF onto here. And then from here, it goes into this, where pieces. This is where I actually do the building of my hood. I do not use ribs and skins, 1/4 inch skins, because I get a much better joint. I get a perfect, absolute perfect joint doing it this way by scribing the miter together. And I will show you that in a minute. I think I have about 4 or 5 different forms for different heights, different widths. different radiuses. See all my forms? All my forms. I kind of make up a mock-up chimney. This is the chimney part. Then I just rest everything in. It goes this way. You'll see. Yes, sir. Here I have my pieces laminated with the 1/8 inch, with the 16th MDF. I primed them quick, and then I put my bevel on it for my floor. And then this is going to go in my jig, my mock-up here. Okay, here I am bringing the miters together. See how I leave it long? It's long. This is the back of this is the back. It's long. I don't have to worry about that. I just keep bringing them together like that. Ouch. Excuse me. Almost fell. And I go like that. Perfect. Now that I got this side, I want to come over here, and this is the right side. That's where I want to be, right there. This is all going to come out. Okay, folks, here you go. Here it's all glued up. I'm going to let it sit over the weekend. Now that's 2 pieces of wiggle wood, and I laminated a 16th MDF on it. Here it is here. I put the salt curves in the top so that it flattens out. Next I make the apron, start painting it up. Here, folks, we have the bell. I just got done painting it. I'm about to put the clear coat on it. That's the inside of the bell. Here's the apron. The bell's going to go on top of the apron. My floor goes in here where the stainless steel blower is going to be. My next step is to finish it with clear coat. Okay, folks, here's the apron with the floor slid in place. Could put a shim underneath. It's upside down, obviously. Okay, there you have it. And this little doohickey goes over here. There you have it, one bell hood. Ready to go.